Welcome guys to another video. If you're new here, my name is Chege Masharia and this is Jicho Lizuri. Today we do a quick tutorial on how to paint wildlife. We have two antelopes, one running and the other one floating in the air, jumping up high. Here I'm deciding on which colors to use. This is my watercolor palette. Next I decided to create up a margin so that I balance my artwork in such a way that my subject balances in the middle. The tape is to keep my margins clean when I do my background painting. This is a recycled glass jar that I'm using. I first of all start with preparing a very diluted wash. The blue is going to be the sky. Next, I mixed a very light green wash to act as the background, and then progressed mixing different shades of green to create the field, the ground upon which the antelopes are running. After the paint dried up, I add up a new wash layer of a similar greens just to create a feeling of depth of field. As you can see, I'm applying very thin light strokes using different shades of green. That gives the vegetation a good definition. I make uneven, irregular strokes to give the grass some sort of a realistic kind of look. When the paint dries up, I start all over the process all over again until I'm satisfied. After I'm done painting the background, I take off the masking tape. I analyze my work a little bit before I move to the next step. Sorry guys, this part is a little bit blurry. I didn't get my focus quite well. I move on to do the foreground, which are my main subjects, the antelopes. I first of all start up with the first shade, coat of brown. I continue adding more details, more shades on the coat. To define the antelopes more. I then continue focusing on the background, or rather the foreground, the grass, the shrubs, to make the grass look more defined. I add different shades of green, browns, and so on. By the time you reach this point, you're so into your process that you even stop thinking and just start working out things simultaneously. Some touch-ups here and there, and we are on our way to finishing up our painting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for staying till the very end. It was lovely having you guys, and hope to see you on the next one. Ciao.